What's up, YouTubes? Welcome to Hot Trades. Happy Friday. If you're new to this channel, the purpose of these pre-market videos are for me to quickly scan the market every morning for top performing stocks and find out why they are doing so well. And at the very end of the video, I'll quickly take a look at the charts to see if we can still benefit from these moves in any way. Also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you enjoy the content. But before we get into today's list, I just want to quickly take you guys through a stock that I covered yesterday, AACG, that went up 1,500%. So I just want to quickly show you guys my trading strategy for trading high flying penny stocks like this that could, so this is my strategy. So I usually say gap up. So for selling, I never buy the first hour just because you never know, right? Like the guys from the previous day might be looking to take profits, especially after such a massive move. So I never buy the first hour. I usually wait for it to play out and then I get in after that. So this is the first hour and this was my level to watch. So within the first hour, this was the high of the day, the high from the first hour. So I put this line right here just to give me a level to watch, and then it played out. This was half of the day played out, and it didn't really do much. So this was the level that I decided that I knew that was time to get in, just because we got back above this level that I was watching. So the high of the day from the morning, we got back above this level right here with fairly good volume. That's when I knew it was time to get in, and yeah, so we just pumped up from there. We never really looked back right after we got above this previous high, and we're from $6 where my line was to the $20 level. So that was really good. That was a really massive move, really good profits. So yeah, that this is my strategy for trading high flying penny stocks. Again, you never really want to get into it right at the open just because you never know what's gonna happen. It might just decide to sell off right from the open, especially with such a massive move. So wait for the first hour to play out, have a level to watch, and as soon as we get back above that level, that's when you know it's time to get in. So we got above this level, really fairly good volume. That's when I knew it was time to get in. Also, you never want to like this played out exactly how I wanted to for it to play out. So you want it to get above this level and not come back below the level, just to show you that okay, this move is real and it's not a fake move, right? So let it get above this level and it have a stop loss. So my stop loss would have been right below this 50-day moving average. So we never got back below this 50-day moving average, so that was a really good sign. So getting into today's list, this morning we'll be looking at LAIX, Aurora Mobile, Atlantic American. I just want to quickly take a look at this as well. RYB Education, just because it's the same as AACG. All these stocks are moving quite well. I'm not sure why. It might just be a sympathy move with AACG. Just people expecting that these moves are going to come for all these education companies. So there's no news on this, but I'm just going to keep an eye on that. So starting off with LAIX, they are up at 217% this morning with 8.3 million shares traded already. So massive move in the morning with fairly good volume. So again, ticker symbol LAIX. So let's find out why these guys are doing really well this morning. The stock price of LAIX, an AI company that provides online English learning products and services in China, is trading over 140% pre-market. Since the company has not announced any news directly, and there is no SEC reports to trigger a stock price increase, it appears there was a coordinated move on social media to drive the stock price up, similar to the reason why ATA Creativity Global went up more than 900% yesterday. So all these stocks are moving the same, right? There's no news on any of these companies, but there seem to be high flying and moving, just going up for no reason, right? So that's why this is doing really well this morning. So up next we have Aurora Mobile, ticker symbol JG, up 125% this morning with almost 6.5 million shares traded already. So let's find out why these guys are doing really well this morning. Aurora Mobile forges partnership with TikTok-like social media platform. I'm not sure how you pronounce this. Kuaishu, share spike. So Aurora Mobile Limited partnered with short video social platform technology, also known as TikTok competitor, to drive the latest monetization efficacy. Aurora Mobiles, so I don't really want to get into this. If you want to go through this, please let me know in the comment section and I'll send you the link. But other than that, like I just want to get the headline right, just to see why the company is doing really well this morning. So they're doing really well just because they partnered with a TikTok-like social media platform. I think people are excited just because they hear the name TikTok, so that's why the shares of the companies shares. Sorry, I can't talk this morning. It's Friday. I'm tired. So yeah, up next we have Atlantic American up 80% this morning with 21,000 shares traded already this morning. Also, this is very similar. Same education company. Nope, not the same education company. So this one, I couldn't find anything on that. What is the ticker symbol again? AAME. Couldn't find anything, but I just want to look and see what the company actually does. So Atlantic American Corporation, through its subsidiaries, provides life and health and property and casualty insurance products in the United States. So that's what they do. Yeah. So again, I couldn't find anything that would tell us why the shares were doing really well this morning. So again, so the last one would be RYB Education, same as AACG and same as LAIX. So there's really no news on any of these stocks, but they seem to be performing really well. So this is one I want to keep an eye on. It's up 84% this morning with 260,000 shares traded already. So I'm going to keep an eye on that just because it could be another high flying stock. So taking a look at the charts of all of these stocks to see if we can still benefit from these moves in any way. Quickly get you over to my chart. So starting off with LAIX, so yesterday we closed at $2.56, and this morning we are opening up all the way over here, right at $8.17. So that's a massive gap up already. Again, if you're in any of these stocks, good job to you, kudos. If you're looking to get into this, same as my AACG strategy, I would not be getting in right at the open. I'll let the first hour play through just to see how the stocks settle, and if it looks like it's going to keep going higher from there, and then I would take a gamble on getting in and have a good stop loss. So next up we have JG. Same thing. This chart doesn't look as bad. It was holding the 50-day moving average, holding the 10-day moving average, so it looked really good. So we closed yesterday just below the $4 level, and this morning we are opening up at around the $8 level, around the $9 level. So that's a really good gap up as well. It's up 117% now from when we looked at their news. So it's doing really well this morning. Again, same strategy, right? Have a level to watch. Don't rush in right at the open just because you never know. The guys from the previous day might be looking to take profits, and you might get caught holding it back, and it might never come back up to that level again, right? So please be careful. Up next we have AAME. This chart is very up and down, very wicky. So yeah, please be careful. So yesterday we closed at $2.39, and this morning we are opening up around the $3.86 level, so just below $4. It doesn't look, I don't know, it doesn't look as bad. But yeah, so this is again same strategy. Like all of these stocks, you could use the same strategy to trade them off high flying stocks. You use the same strategy. I use the same strategy to trade all of them. Again, like these stocks are momentum stocks, so you need to gauge and see they telling you that we're gonna keep going higher, and then you can go enter from there. So yeah. And lastly, this one had no news, but I just want to keep an eye on it. RYB, ticker symbol RYB, again, closed at $2.70. And this morning we are opening up at $4.64. So again, it's the same company as AACG. Again, like no news on any of these companies, but they seem to be running and doing really well. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one just because you never know, right? It might get the same sympathy move as AACG. So I'm going to keep an eye on RYB. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.